singing the snooze while she's tucked in bed under the cover. Ryan's crafting a mess he can't smother. Glue on his hands and paint in his hair. Tried a glittery bird, but it looks like a bear. He's changing the world with every wild touch. Simply blessing crafts becomes just too much. Welcome to Ryan's Crafty Corner, where chaos is always in order. Paper flowers and yarn gone wild. Tiffany's gasp but kind of smile. He's using a hammer on poor garden gnomes, making a spectacle for all their friends. Ryan's crafty road has no clear bends. Tiffany's laugh breaks her fever at last. Sees the cardboard castle he built out of trash. Ryan's handshake and creative delight. He's the craft king, but oh, what a sight. Welcome to Ryan's Crafty Corner, where chaos is always in order. Paper flowers and yarn gone wild. Tiffany's gasp but can't smile.
Hey everyone, this is Ryan from Simply Blessed Crafts, also known as Tiffany's Loving Husband, and this is the What Would You Make this week. We have Rustic and Lace DIY as one of your hosts. Your other host is Divine Designs, both lovely ladies, and our special guest host this week is Farm Charm Chic. It's spring. No. In here in Minnesota, it's cold. So here we go. I got some paint, maybe DIY paint it looks like, doing some magic tricks. Oh, look at that. Hitting it with my magical crazy thing. No, that didn't work. Oh, yep, paint. We're going to take the paint out now, and here we go. We're going to paint. No, paint. Yep, no, yes, maybe. Paint. We're going to paint. Oh, it was painted. Now I'm going to draw some crazy stuff on this page. Yep, that is a squiggly line, apparently. Oh, good job, Ryan. Yeah, you're doing all right. Oh, it's a candy corn. Maybe, possibly. No, what in the hell is it? It's a candy corn with a foot. But you know, the problem with doing these things sometimes is that when you're drinking so much caffeine, you never remember what happened afterwards. It's just going nuts. Candy corn, a furry candy corn with feet. No, that can't be it. Doing some outlining. Whoa! Look at that! It just automatically happened. But oh my gosh, it's bouncing all over the place. My wife has done some amazing editing on this stuff. I have no clue how it works. It's amazing. Okay, so I'm going to put this thing, a hole in the cardboard. I'm, cutting some, nope, that doesn't work. Gonna cut that off it, nope, okay. I was going to try to make yep, oh, that might work. So I'm trying to explain what I'm doing. I'm putting a glob of glue on there, making a nose, because I'm trying the Tiffany special of making a gnome. And look at that. You got some pink stuff on there. I don't remember what color it is. It's pink. Pink color.
Probably princess pink or something.
My wife tells me it's pretty princess pink. I don't know if I'd ever use pretty princess pink, but whatever. Oh, look, I'm leaving a little glob on there. Okay. So now we're jumping over to this part. Doing some more. Oh, I got some more paint. I think I showed it to the camera at some. Nope, I didn't. This is like a tangerine color for Mr. Gnome's feet. Doing some fun stuff on there. Painting his toes while I'm trying not to paint my fingers. And unfortunately, I have little to no ability to not paint my fingers. Because Tiffy's the one with all the craftiness in our relationship. I'm the one that makes the big mess. So we're painting some feet, doing some fun painting feet. Going to do a little bit of this, that. Look at that. Look how dainty it is. Taking the dainty little brush and making cute little toesies. Oh my goodness, look at that. Yes, I did a good job. Good job, Internet Ryan. Okay, now I got some No, I put something on there. Oh, something else, and here we're doing a little bit. I don't actually know what I'm doing here. Oh,
you got glitter.
Glitter. I got some glittery glitter. Oh, look at that glitter. I'm glittering the glitter. Trying to do. Nope, that's not the color I wanted though. I was looking for a white color. That's not white. Is that white? White? Do I have some white over here? White? Anyone? My kingdom for some white. There we go. I found the white. Now I'm making a white little gnome with some glittery beard. We'll call him Princess Glitterbeard. the gnome. And we're doing some white. We're doing some white. We're doing some white. We're painting all over the freaking board without actually getting the paint on the thing. Now we're making look at that. Doing a bang up job at. Yep, and now my fingers are slowly becoming more and more painted. Look at that thumb. Yes, that is not one of the DIY projects, just so you know. My finger is not what was meant to be white, but unfortunately, I got some of this color now. This looks like some kind of brown. Trying to make some outlines so that the toes stand out. Count them with me. 1, 2, who knows how many toes are in there? I don't remember. This is the problem with doing crafts and not taking notes or anything like that. Look at that. My fingers are even more colored. Oh, is that a glitter finger there? I have a glitter finger. What in the crap is going... Yeah, okay. So I'm making some cute little hairlines there. And look at that guy. Look how pretty he is. No, I'm doing a pretty little nose. It's some kind of powder puff pink. And he looks kind of strange from this angle. And I'm using my gross fingers to... Oh. Nope, I'm not quite happy with how pink it was. I wanted to get that stuff down there. Doing a little heat gun treatment in there, and I'm fitting him onto his board, doing the glue thing. Not seen in this thing is me gluing my fingers together, but I did manage to do that. And I probably let off a yell that the neighborhood heard, because hot glue on fingers is not a good thing. Just so you know. And right there was probably where I glued my fingers a little bit. Yep. Not shown as me yelling and screaming. So now I'm doing a little bit of writing on here. Art happens. Yes, art happens. Good job, Ryan. You know how to read. You have a 3rd grade reading level. Hooray! Art happens when you turn off your brain. Wow, art happens for me all the time. My brain is never turned on. This is great news. What in the bottom part is and you open your heart. You see, I wanted to write greeting cards when I was younger, and I guess that just means that I'm making up all sorts of crazy little things, little sayings and whatnot. Oh, look, painting a little heart to go on here, and not showing is me painting my fingers again, because basically I should not be allowed to have paint. What in the heck? Oh, trying to dry it. Making a little, dry it some more. Did you realize that cardboard will burn if you leave the heat gun on it? I found this out. That's not my first art, ladies and gentlemen. Art happens when you turn off your brain and turn on your heart, or open your heart, or whatever the crud I wrote on there. I can't read my own handwriting. I should have been a doctor, everybody. I have bad handwriting. So now I'm doing some cutting. Why am I cutting? Well, I'm writing something. Oh, what's this? I am writing words. The words that I am writing are and get paint on your fingers. Yay! On your hands. Oh, I'm sorry. Once again, I have no idea how to write or spell or read my own handwriting. It's still spring. Is it spring yet? No, it's Minnesota. It was 40 below last week, and it's 40 above this week. So, we have got some drawings. I'm making a drawing. The drawing I am making is of... Oh, looks like my cute little pug. Using some wood to meet the What Would You Do challenge, and using a pen, which doesn't really meet any challenges, but it's on wood, so hey, there we go. I'm drawing, I guess. I'm drawing some more. Look at that. Oh, my fingers are so dainty on that. I'm practically flipping you off, and I don't mean to be. Trust me, my hands are just like that. No, it's not meant to be like that. It's just how I'm holding it. My fingers were covered in paint. I was trying to hold the lid and whatnot. I apologize profusely if anybody... Anyways, I am drawing my little loaf. My little pug loaf. And, oh, look at that little bone necklace. Yep. And now, gonna make some button eyes, because she's a cute little pug. Yep, she's got those. Oh my gosh. Yes, my pug has seen me naked, and that is the problem right there. That's why her eyes are, Yeah, my wife is looking at me, just holding her hands up, going, no, please stop. Okay, yes, anyways. She is embarrassed, apparently. Okay, so we got some button eyes. Oh, look at that. I'm making a little cardboard tongue for her, too, as well. Yep. And I left more paint on my wife's boards, and she came in there and she goes, "Why is it pink? Why did you choose this color of pink? This is not the color." Oh, yeah, there's a little stain there. This is why husbands are very rarely allowed into their wives' crafting areas unless they're doing something good. Look at that little pug, yes. She looks like one of those creepy kids off of a weird movie with her black eyes. Hello, Oh, she's smiling now. Oh, when in doubt, googly eyes. Yep. So, now she looks like, well, let's just say she looks a little bit more like she normally would. She doesn't look like a creepy ghost dog anymore. So, yes. Oh, then I put some wooden thing on there. I don't know what that says. I love Mom. So, the final reveal. Here we go. So, first off, we got this and that. Yep. Hello, it said. Oh, that's so pretty. My dog is cute as a button because she has button eyes. Isn't that a cute little thing to write on there? Yep. She looks like she has a beard as well. And art happens when you turn off your brain and open your heart. And everybody enjoy the collab. Make sure to watch everybody else's stuff on here. You guys are great. I am so pleased to be working with you. And have a great weekend, everybody. Take care, okay?